Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. While you are here, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Also take a minute to check out some of our previous videos, and I am so proud to say that we have officially hit over 2,000 subscribers, so thank you so much for that. Alright guys, so today's highlighted comment is from Shauna Lewis. Hey Shauna, thank you for your comment. She said that they are basically closing in the front overhang of her home, turning it into a sunroom, and that she plans to do boho. Sounds so nice. Do I have any ideas? Yes, of course, Shauna, I do. I made this video for you, girl. So this video is all about boho, bohemian style sunrooms. So you guys take a look and let me know what you think. Now, Shauna stated that her sunroom is going to be roughly 8 by 11, so I wanted to show some pictures kind of in that same, those same dimensions. Like, I didn't want to have a big sprawling sunroom because that's not the space that she's actually going to be working with. Now, there are a few big sunrooms on here because I actually just kind of like the design and wanted her to see that, but I also want to see sunrooms in the dimensions roughly that her actual sunroom is going to be. I actually like having a mid-size to smaller sunroom because I feel like whatever your design that you're trying to basically get across, it comes across a little better to me in a smaller room. Sometimes if you have a humongous room, tons of space, just sprawling, it's hard to get your decor point across. Also, Shauna, one thing I really wanted you to see, in this room especially, you see how the actual sofas as well as the coffee table are made from pallets. If you live in an area that's really industrial, have a lot of warehouses around, or just search Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist for pallets, you will definitely be able to find something, and that way you can basically build your own furniture. You guys are already enclosing that front overhang space. We know that that's not free or cheap, so this is another way to save some money. So I feel that boho works beautifully for a sunroom. You get the same type of vibe and aesthetics from each, even though one is a room and one is a home decor style. But with boho, you get a lot of the natural coming in. You have a lot of the colorscapes that remind you of nature. You have a lot of light. You just have this really comfy kind of vibe feel where people can just go in, lay down, sit down, and just hang out for a while. And really, at the end of the day, it's kind of what you want your sunroom to be as well. There are some really formal sunrooms, but the majority of them are a place to really just disconnect and unwind and just hang. Be at one with yourself, be at one with nature, and just have a good time. Now, if any of you have enclosed a sunroom in or have decorated your sunroom or just sitting room or any area of your house with the boho style, leave some comments down below for Shauna. Give her some tips, tricks. I actually do not have a boho room, and I'm so sad about it. I think if I had a she shed or just an area of my house that was mine, I may throw a little boho in there, you know, little somewhere, just because I like the vibe. It gives me a really free-spirited feel, the bright colors, the light, the little hits of nature, the pops of nature here and there. It's a home decor style that I actually like. But if you guys have any tips, tricks, or just, a comment to say, hey, Shauna, good choice, way to go, definitely leave it down below. Also, Shauna, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you guys have any ideas about design fusion or question, just let me know in the comment section and I'll make a video dedicated to you as well. Also, you guys, let me know if you could see this style in your home, and if so, why? If not, why? If you want to know a room that I loved, I love this room mainly because of all of that light coming in. My goodness, this room was gorgeous to me. As always, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.